Do you know how to say sorry in Kirundi? If not, this video is for you. Today's Kirundi word of the day is Mbabarira. 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 The meaning of the word Mbabarira is sorry. Mbabarira. Sorry. Mbabarira. The pronunciation of the word Mbabarira can be said as m-ba-ba-REE-ra. Repeat after me. M-ba-ba-REE-ra. Mbabarira. Here's an example on how to use the word Mbabarira in a sentence. Mbabarira cyane. Mbabarira cyane, which means I'm very sorry. Mbabarira cyane. I'm very sorry. Here's a usage tip for this word Mbabarira. It can be used for apologies and politeness. And here's a fun fact about this word. It can also be used to politely get attention. Comment the word Mbabarira if you got it. And if you haven't, please refer back to the pronunciation section of this video and practice again and again until you get it. Mbabarira. Try it slowly. Mbabarira. The previous word that we learned was ndakwinginze. Click this video to learn what the word ndakwinginze means and how to pronounce it correctly. Don't forget to like and subscribe and come back tomorrow for another lesson.